My friends, now I am in front of Sai Baba in Dehradun of Uttarakhand. My friends, now I stand in front of a beautiful and famous temple of Dehradun of Uttarakhand, Darbar Sai Baba Temple. I want to seek blessings of Divine One and let myself free from the ooze of mind and body. This Sai Baba temple is located on Rajpur Road, 8 km from the clock tower and 1 km from Rajpur village in Dehradun of Uttarakhand. This temple is well known for its lovely surroundings and magnificent marble building. In the evening, a prayer session takes place on the temple ground. The idol of Sai Baba is located in the center of temple with an open passageway on all four sides. This Sai Baba temple is ideal for meditation and the temple design is distinctive and peculiar. It is composed of white marble and adorned with exquisite bright glass art. My friends, now I am inside of Sai Baba Mandir in Dehradun of Uttarakhand. My friends, every day we shall witness several tourists and worshippers visiting this darbar to pay their pranam to Sai Baba and seek his blessings. It is a place that is free from any religious bias, and we have noticed a pure white marble and others god. This Sai Baba temple is the place to honor Sai Baba of Siddhi, who taught and preached one thing: Sabka Malik Ek, or one God controls everything. There is no entry fees to visit this temple. Sai Darbar temple is open for 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. My friends,